Welcome to Team Bee! Today we're going to take a tour of the Team Bee farm. And we're going to meet every one of our animals, from the meowing kittens to the mangoes. Hello, chickies. We are here to. These are our chicks. These are our chickens. I've got the Chicks 101 video coming up. If you want to watch that. Now here's what it looks like when we feed them scratch. Look, Fluffy Chick, that's this chicken's name, is eating out of my hand. Good chicken, Fluffy Chick. Fluffy Chick is a light Brahma and very sweet. She lays some occasional egg. She lays the occasional brown egg. And oh, this is Callie. This is Callie. She's a California white. The other one pecking up my hands is Callie. She's a California white, and she lays large numbers of white eggs. Why we have chickens is for food, fare, and fun. Food meaning eggs. The chickens produce a lot of eggs for us. In fact, we love to have eggs for breakfast. Fair. We sometimes take our top quality chickens to the fair. This year, if they actually hold the fair, will be my first year where they start really judging me. Fun. We keep these chickens for pets also. This is Miss Honey. Look how she squats to let us pet her. This is Harmony. Like Harmony is a real name, like a Hair-Dorable, after a Hair-Dorable doll. We have 16 chickens, and all of them certainly are a lot of fun. Hello everyone, meet the good goats. Bailey is currently off screen, and Manila is being curious. Oh, there's Bailey. Bailey's the brown one. They are purebred Ticos. We have them from our grandma Vicky. They were a present. You know, just a surprise. And they love to say meh. We feed them on the bottle, and they say meh whenever they are hungry. Some people keep goats for milk and meat. We keep our goats to eat down the blackberries. They are also fun. We bottle feed them. They love to be bottle fed. In fact, they start pawing at the gate the second they see us with bottles because they want milk. Jose. He's 30 years old, and he used to be bear racing. Now he's retired. He's my dad's horse and one of his friends. Honey Ginger, she's a Hall in Love. Next time I'm going to show her to be at the fair. And as a treat, she likes broccoli and carrots. Here, Ginger. There are a few of our cats, Moon and Pitchpeak. And we have them because they're our best friends and because they like to catch mice. This is Sammy. He's a livestock guardian dog. He protects the rest of all animals from cuckoos and bears. Lily's over there. She's just a pet. Welcome to the end of another Team Bee video. I hope you enjoyed your tour of the farm. We have lots of fun with our animals, and we hope you had fun with our animals too. And by the way, all the animals, say goodbye